How we sold a fixer duplex for fair market value, with 0 days on market. Most sellers think the only way to get a strong price is to fix everything, list publicly, and hope the market rewards them. But in Sidney, Montana, I recently helped a seller get fair market value with 0 days on market and not a single repair made. Here's what actually happened. This was an older duplex with years of deferred maintenance and constant tenant turnover, the exact combination that scares off traditional buyers and tanks public listing prices. The seller was overwhelmed. Repairs, upgrades, showings, inspections, emotionally and financially, it was too much. So instead of the traditional route, we took a strategic one. We went off market. I tapped into my private network and matched the property with a qualified investor who specializes in buying as is someone who values speed and certainty over cosmetic perfection. That allowed us to skip every major pain point. No repairs, no showings, no inspection chaos, no price reductions, no months of waiting, and no tenant disruptions. And because the buyer could close fast, without contingencies, the seller received a price that reflected the property's real condition plus the value of a guaranteed, immediate close. That's what I call a certainty premium. The real lesson? Sometimes the smartest financial move isn't chasing the highest theoretical number. It's protecting your time, your stress level, and the dollars you don't have to spend. If you have a rental or fixer that's costing more than it's giving, I can walk you through your best options. Renovate, make partial upgrades, or sell off market so you can protect both your profit and your peace of mind. This is Stasia Creek from 406 East Realty.